In this video, I will show you how to connect your StoneX account to TradingView step by step. So if you want to link StoneX with TradingView and trade directly from your chart, make sure you follow this guide carefully. First, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. Once you are on TradingView, make sure you are logged in to your TradingView account. After that, open any chart you want. You can choose a forex pair, futures chart, commodities chart, indices chart, or any market you prefer. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Trade. This will open the Broker Connection panel. From here, TradingView will show you a list of brokers that you can connect to your account. Now scroll through the list and look for StoneX. Once you find StoneX, click on it. After that, click on Connect. TradingView will now open the StoneX login page, or it may open a separate pop-up window asking you to sign in. Here, enter your StoneX account login details. Make sure you are using the correct StoneX account, especially if you have multiple accounts or different trading environments. After signing in, StoneX may ask you to authorize the connection with TradingView. Go ahead and review the permission request, then click on Authorize, Allow, or Continue to approve the connection. Once the authorization is complete, you should be redirected back to TradingView. Now your StoneX account should be connected successfully. To confirm this, go back to the Trade panel and check if your StoneX account appears as connected. From here, you can use TradingView charts with your StoneX account, view your account information, place trades, manage positions, and monitor your trades directly from the TradingView interface. If StoneX does not appear in the broker list, make sure your region and account type are supported on TradingView. And if the connection does not work, check that your login details are correct, your StoneX account is active, and your browser is not blocking pop-ups. You can also try refreshing TradingView, logging out and logging back in, or reconnecting StoneX again from the Trade panel. And that's it. This is how you can connect StoneX to TradingView. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.